Hello Bladers. Have a lot of time on your plate given the nationwide lockdown? Well, check out these 5 underrated car movies you surely shouldn't miss. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 5 best underrated car movies. Number 1, Duel, 1971. A 1971 film featuring a young Dennis Weaver and his trusty Plymouth Valiant and a menacing 1955 Peterbilt 281 truck. And yes, this film is notable for being the directorial debut of none other than Steven Spielberg. Number 2, Locke, 2014. Who doesn't love Tom Hardy? Locke is a 2014 film focusing on a car ride, a very mind-blowing car ride. The character himself is the driver who you'll see having sad but also cringe-worthy conversations with his family, his boss, his subordinate, and the ghost of his dead father riding into the backseat. Number 3, Hybrid Battle. Prius vs. Insight. If you like Long Gone Midnight and if you like hybrid-powered economic cars, then Hybrid Battle. Prius vs. Insight is a movie that combines the two into a jarring, but don't get me wrong, this movie is very entertaining in all levels. Number 4, Hot Wheels, Excel. Racers. 3D animated cartoon, and despite involving Hot Wheels, this miniseries had a lot going for it, like great character development, tight voice acting, and pretty decent visuals for its time. Number 5, Christine, 1983. Similar to Terminator, it involves a supernatural car that loves murder. Based on a novel by Stephen King of the same name, Christine follows the teenage life of Arnie and how it changed after buying a 1958 Plymouth Fury named Christine. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.